Cam Brewer for Cam's Mortgage Minute on Tuesday, January 15th. Hey, I was speaking with a client recently and we were chatting about the fact of, saving extra money and taking little baby steps to reduce their mortgage. And they said, well, what do you mean by baby steps? I said, well, let's look at an example. Their mortgage payments were basically $2,000 a month. That's right. And so I said to them, I said, how would you guys like to make an extra payment this year over and above your normal payment? And they said, well, how can we do that? I said, well, it's simple. Let's look at and break this thing down. Basically, if we want to make an extra $2,000 payment towards your mortgage this year, it translates to $5.48 a day. That's right. So that's how much money you would need to save or set aside every single day. And basically, you know what? Are we going to miss $5.50? Probably not. I said, where are you spending money right now? They said, well, occasionally we go to Starbucks, we do this, we do that. I said, okay. So let's do this. Let's just do maybe one less visit to whatever store. Every day, get in the habit, take a little jar at home, put it in there, drop $5.50 in there. Just do it every day. Somehow find the loose change. You probably spent money somewhere or you were going to spend somewhere. Take out $5.50, dump it in there. If you were going to spend a bunch through the week, pull some money out of your bank account. Once it's out of your account, you're not going to miss it. You don't even realize it's there anymore and you'll learn to adjust with it. And bottom line is, by the end of the year, you've got now $2,000. You could even take this a step further, and there's a great way that you could utilize this and get free money. Let's say, for example, you've got room in your RSP. So you want to contribute $2,000 to your RSP for next year. You could be banking money and saving up that $2,000 once you make that contribution. Depending on the tax bracket you're in, you're going to get a refund back from the government. Well, you could take that refund, put that against your mortgage, and you've still got the $2,000 in your investment that's growing as well. I know some of you are out there saying, well, come on, man, that's only $2,000. You're right, it's only $2,000. It's not a lot of money. That's why it should be really easy for you to do, right? And at the end of the day, imagine that you do this $2,000 for 5 years in a row. That's 10 grand. And 10 grand impacted, if it was against your mortgage, is going to have a significant savings depending on the amortization you have, the rate you have, and the principal you have. Again, a baby step, nothing major. None of us are going to miss $5.50. We have a tendency to spend that pretty easy most times. So start, make a plan, make a resolution this year. I mean, it's so early in the year, and I know those fitness resolutions are always hard. So this is going to be an easy one. $5.50, that's what you're going to do. You're going to bank $2,000 by the end of the year, so you're going to dump one extra payment against your mortgage, whatever your payment is. If your mortgage payments are only $1,000, heck, it's even easier. It's only like $275. So go ahead, talk to your, if you've got a significant other, a partner, a spouse, come up with a common plan and say, hey, we're going to do this, and we're going to start with these little baby steps. And you'll find once you get in the habit of doing this sort of thing, it's going to get easier and easier, and you're probably going to want to do it more and more. And bottom line is you're going to get ahead and you're going to reduce debt, which are all good things, and definitely going to help you in the right direction. Anyway, it's been Cam for Cam's Mortgage Minute. Anything you need mortgage-wise, don't hesitate. Give us a shout at the Auxilium team. It's Cam. We're always here and happy to help. I will see you tomorrow.